Let's Face It Together. That is the name of the mental health program all of San Marcos students will have access to.
I couldn't be here, standing here, without you guys. And just to know that you guys genuinely care really, really makes a big difference and impact. And I do hope that the Let's Face It program has millions of impacts out there for other students who also need to hear the story and also needs to face all these mental health problems.
Irene Irvin is a high school student who was in a bad mental state.
I was worried about being neglected, being rejected, not being able to fit in like the rest of the students were. But then one day something changed. And what that was the amazing Mission Hills Grizzlies on our campus and the Let's Face It program. Nurse Ann, Miss Segal.
Irvin goes on to name the counselors and adults on her campus who helped pull her out of a dark spot. All a part of the Let's Face It Together program.
We've always had counselors, we've always had social workers, we've always had folks on campus that cared, but this really was going to draw attention to the fact that mental health is everybody's business. Everybody has been impacted by the pandemic. Nobody was unscathed.
Christy Frias is the Director of Student Services for the district.
Well, pre-pandemic, people might have thought, ooh, mental health counseling, that's weird, I don't want to talk about that. There's nobody that can say they didn't have some impact after being home. And so this was a way to kind of do that in a really positive way, and it's not looked down on, there's no shame with it, it's just we're here for you.
Colorful posters and signs throughout the campus encourage students to reach out if they need mental health help. Students can access help by texting a number that will respond with confidential resources. There is also a wellness team that addresses more severe cases and goes on to address mental health needs in the student's home. A $2 million grant from the city of San Marcos helped roll out the 2-year program. But Frias says it's something they plan on keeping and funding because the investment is saving students' lives.
We have saved lives, and we can say that confidently, and it is almost on a weekly basis where we are having incidents where students are coming forward that maybe previously wouldn't have had the support, and now they're getting it.
San Marcos students can text 741-741 if they or a friend are looking for mental health support. Tania Thorne, KPBS News.